Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your profile private on your Steam Deck, so no one can just view your information. So on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and go to our profile picture and select this with A. Now under here, let's go on down to where it says Privacy Settings, Profile, Games, Inventory, etc. Then at the top, we can see my basic details. Everything is public there, but we can go over to where it says My Profile. Your community profile includes your profile summary, friends list, badges, Steam level, showcases, comments, and group memberships. We can press R2 on this, and we can set this to private now. And everything under here will be private. So if we scroll on down, you can see game details, friends list, inventory, and people who can comment on your profile. So yeah, just go ahead and select that. Otherwise, you can just go to each category and select it how you want it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.